One other thing that I wanted to show you in the views type video is if you are in a first floor plan, there is another thing you can do for visibility. So we're going to click on visibility. And if you want to turn things on and off within a particular viewpoint, like first floor view, let's say we don't want to have the doors, I can uncheck that, click apply, and then okay. And all those doors are just turned off. So it can be very useful if you don't want to see certain items in your project or you do want to see them, then we can turn them on and off that way, as well as right clicking, hiding in elements categories, or again, down here by clicking sunglasses, isolating the category, which means that that's all that we see is doors. So that's another way that you can turn visibility on and off. So the other thing in this video that I wanted to show you is just camera views and how you can identify a very specific camera view that you want. So if I want to get a view of this particular lab right here, then I can click on this drop down camera. And let's say I want it from the teacher's perspective. Here's our office, walking out of the office, coming around the corner. If we come around the corner and I click, and I'm going to go to this column right here. So from this corner to this column, that's my viewpoint. So I want you to double check and see if you choose those two items, are you seeing the exact same view as I'm seeing? It's important that you're able to get your camera to line up in the same way. So if I scroll down to here, now I have this 3D view 1. That is a new view I've created. And I can go back to first floor. You can see that that one is still staying in there. So that's how you can create specific camera views. If you choose the camera, and I do a camera view, and I'm going to do it from the same location, but I'm going to stop right in the middle of this desk, about halfway. And I want you to notice the difference. We can't see all the way to the end of the wall. So that's why you need to go past the things that you want to view in order to be able to see them within that view range of a camera. So a couple different things to keep in mind. That's what that camera that goes beyond those desks. This is the camera view that stops at the desk. That's why we always want to choose a camera view that extends beyond the viewpoint of what we want to see, because you can see that range actually ends right there.